All right, guys, this is Labor Day 2022, September 4th, and I want to see if I can record these kids in the rain, playing in the rain. Oh, there's a lot of rain over here. We got Maddie and Lily and Aria trying to do something. Angel's probably over here rollerblading. There they are. Let me back up this rain. They're enjoying the rain, I think.
Hey, Daddy.
What?
Can we go? Are you filming? Hi.
Can we go what?
We're filming.
Okay, I'm filming the girls. What's up? What are you gonna tell me? Alright, I guess. Feels pretty cool. This rain. Pretty awesome. Where's Renee? Somewhere around. Somewhere around. Wait, this is my light. Hopefully they come on in a few. Get the whole, this is where I like to sit. I'm actually here so I can sit down, and I like the sound of the rain. In my front porch like an old man with the, what do you call it, with the iced tea. This is being filmed with a twin 2000 or iPhone 13 mini. It does not have the extra camera for the extra features, but I guess we'll see.
Stop recording.
What do you want to say?
Nothing.
I'm filming them over there. What are they doing over there?
They're not even in the camera.
Where they at?
They're over there. I'm gonna end it later.
Stop recording video. Button. Zoom. 1.0 times. Button. Adjustable.
Okay.